Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. So we are going to do an unboxing after I take a drink of my water of this vintage Christmas tree. I don't think you can see it back there. I have one already back there in my living room that I really like. It's my husband's grandma's, but it is missing some pieces. So I ordered this one as like another one. Didn't realize it was going to take so long to be able to get this. It took a week and a half. They did package it pretty well, if I do say so myself. Okay, I'm gonna just set it down and pull up on it. Ooh. That made a huge mess in my floor. It had those little peanuts in it. Here, now you can probably maybe see it. It's not this, but it's the Christmas tree deck back here. Maybe not. Whoops. Yeah, you can't really see it. There. Kind of see it. Sorry about the lighting situation. Anyway, I got this. So maybe I should bring y'all down to the floor level so you can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm trying to clean up this huge mess off my floor because didn't realize it was gonna have 500 peanuts inside of it before I actually grab it out. Sorry, I know this isn't what y'all wanted to kind of watch. Y'all wanted me to unbox it, but it's just like a mess, and there we go. Alright. Okay. I'm aware that there's still going to be some that fall on the floor, and I will pick those up as soon as I get this on the floor. Okay. So here it is. I do have that knife up there, so I'll be very, very careful. If you're wondering what that popping noise was, that was my knee. So I'm just gonna sit down and open this. And be very careful because, like it said on the box, like it says on the tape, it is very, very fragile. If I could find out where they started and where they ended, that would help me out a whole bunch. Opening this package. Okay. I am thankful that they did package this really well. But it's just a headache to get open when they do this. Anybody know any tricks on how to get these open pretty fast, let me know. Because every time this happens, I can't seem to get them open. I mean, they're packaged really well, and most of the time, they're not broke. Okay. Me and this seller did go back and forth I was trying to reduce the price on this because, of course, I already have one. But their whole situation was vintage. So I kind of get their point of view. But still, I wanted it pretty much a little cheaper what they were asking. And this isn't all of it. So I wonder if some of it is in the box still. Because it is missing the bottom piece. So, let me see if it's in here. I'm using the other box that they sent with it, using it as a trash can for this box. What I can probably do, I can probably tilt this over, open this one up, tilt this one over, and I'm just going to shake whatever falls goes up. Okay. Charger thingies and everything is in here. Yeah, I hate the peanuts. They're literally all over my floor. I do appreciate them packaging it really, really well, but I hate these little peanut things. Drive me insane. And as you can see, I didn't open the lighthouse all the way. Or the tree, should I say. It does have lighthouses on it. I will show you when I open this. This one's a little bit better because it's so small. This is the bottom piece of it. And it should be also the charger. And some of mine was missing some of the bottom piece too that I have from my husband's grandma, his nana. It was missing the, I'll show you when I get there. It was missing some lighthouses. We got to get some lights for it for next year. Okay, there's charger. This was made in the 90s, so I thought it was really cool as well. So mine is missing this piece that I have already. So But I do have the little brown piece, this piece, but it's a little wore as well. So I figured I'd just go ahead and get a new one. It's missing a couple pieces. Well, not a new one, but another one. And put it up. So okay, top is off. I'm gonna just set it in here. Just gonna set the tree in there. So I can kind of get a good look at the tree. The lights that come in this are kind of like unusual lights. I'm not being able to find them at Walmart or anything like that. Oh. It does have them. So, I'm going to plug this in and see if it works. Because that's what I'm really worried about, is to figure out if this one works. Because mine, I know, works. It's just missing some pieces. Alright. Here's my plug for it. Something's off. No. Okay. Gotta look for the hole this goes in. Maybe if I just tilt it up. Here it is. Okay. There's that. And they are working. I don't know if you're able to see them, but they're all lit up. See, and these are the light bulbs I'm talking about. They're like really thin ones. I've never seen any like that. But all of them have light bulbs. Seller said that there wasn't any light bulbs in it, so I wasn't expecting any to be in it, which is really awesome. There are some in it. But I absolutely love this. This is like my favorite thing that she had. And now that I have one that's complete and one that's, you know, actually hers, and they're very vintage, they're very personal too. Me and my husband, my husband's grandma really loved. It's missing one light bulb. On 4. But, she really loved lighthouses, and she had this, and as you've seen, and when I was trying to show you the other one, she did have another set. I'm going to click off this video and not see my other one. You can go ahead and do that now. I'm going to get up and show you my other one. So, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light over here. So we do have this one that she owned, and the lights on the top do move. It works perfectly fine. There's my kitchen. I bought these lighthouses over the course of the last 2 years, while me and my husband, as well as the blue one and that ship thing, ship in a bottle, I bought at St. Simon's Island. And then, love this. Then here's her Christmas tree. And some of them don't light up. As you can see, there's one missing there, and up here they are, it needs to be cleaned at the top, so I can put a light there, but it is missing 19 as well. This one's broke. Sorry, I'm not showing you very good. There's 19. That one's broke right here. And I think it's missing one more on the other side, but I also don't want to break that. Anyway, I really loved hers. As you can see, it does have a little wear and tear to it, but it is completely vintage. It did come from my husband's Nana. Sorry, I have chocolate on my mouth. I did not notice that until just now. So sorry. But it was my husband's Nana's, and it really does mean a lot to us. But I just wanted one that was a little bit, I guess, put together. I am planning on trying to fix this one where it is got all the lights, and try to maybe not the one that's broke, maybe not fix that one, because just something sentimental. That's broke and the bottom of it is a little cracked. But anyway, that's what I got in the mail today. And there's my Christmas tree. Deers and little red trucks and some sentimental ornaments. Let me just go ahead and show y'all my Christmas tree while I'm at it. So I got this from one of the kids that ride on my bus for Christmas. This is our first Christmas together, 2016. We have another sentimental ornament down here. It's a St. Simon's ornament, because that's where we went for our anniversary. We have a truck. It's what my husband drives on a daily basis. There's one more sentimental ornament. So what did I do with it? Oh, you hold the key to my heart. Have that one. One more. Oh, right here. It's the year we got engaged, 2019. Actually, not engaged. Married. We got married in 2019. Oh, and so just got some little sentimental ornaments. This was after the fire, and a lot of the bigger ornaments was gifted to me. So thank you to anyone that gifted me ornaments. I absolutely love them. We have this tree and a small tree. The small tree we were given, so I really appreciate that as well. Anyway, this video is just rambling on and on and on. So I'm going to end it here. Bye, you guys.